Have you ever stopped to wonder why creatine is a staple in almost every gym bag? Sure, it's famous for muscle gains, but what about the side effects? Some are well known, while others might actually catch you off guard. First up, let's talk about the most common side effects. Bloating. It's a common side effect experienced by many when they start taking creatine, but why does it happen? Well, creatine draws water into your muscles, which can lead to a feeling of being bloated or appearing puffy. That's usually a temporary effect, and it tends to subside as your body adjusts to the supplement. Closely linked to bloating is water retention. It's not unusual to see a slight increase in weight in the beginning when you start a creatine regimen. Remember, the additional weight is mostly water, not fat. So if you notice a few extra pounds on the scale, don't be alarmed. It's a normal response for the body to creatine. Another side effect to be aware of is the potential for digestive issues. That can range from mild discomfort in the stomach to more severe reactions like cramps and diarrhea. These symptoms are particularly noted when creatine is consumed in high doses. So that is a clear signal from your body. If you get these symptoms, you might want to reconsider the amount of creatine that you're taking. This brings us to the topic of dosage. The amount of creatine that you consume plays a pivotal role in how your body reacts to it. Overconsumption can amplify these side effects. The general recommendation is to stick to a dosage of about 3 to 5 grams per day after completing an initial loading phase. Staying within these guidelines is crucial for minimizing the risk of adverse effects. The type of creatine that you choose also matters. There are various forms available, such as creatine monohydrate, hydrochloride, and ethyl ester, each having its own characteristics and potential impacts on your body. It's worth doing research and, if needed, trying different types under professional guidance to find the one that suits you the best. As we venture deeper into the world of creatine, there are some side effects that are less talked about, but equally important to be aware of. These rarer side effects can be surprising to many, so let's shed some light on them. One such surprising effect is the potential impact on the sleep cycle. Some users report experiencing disruptions in their sleep patterns when taking creatine. This could manifest as difficulty falling asleep or restless nights. It's speculated that this might be due to the increased energy levels that creatine provides, potentially affecting the body's natural sleep rhythms. Another unexpected side effect is mood changes. While not common, some individuals have reported feeling anxious or irritable when consuming creatine. It's important to monitor these feelings closely, as they can affect not just your physical health but your mental health too. Creatine's impact on kidney function is a topic of debate and concern. While studies have largely shown that creatine is safe for healthy individuals, those with pre-existing kidney conditions should absolutely exercise caution. Creatine supplementation can strain the kidneys, and in rare cases, it can actually exacerbate existing kidney problems. So therefore, it's very vital to consult a healthcare professional if you have any kidney-related health issues at all. Let's balance things out now, shall we? Now, it's crucial to discuss the art of balancing these aspects to maximize the benefits while minimizing the risks. That's what I like to call the balancing act of creatine usage. First and foremost, let's talk about dosage. The key to effective and safe creatine use is finding the absolute right dosage for your body. While the standard recommendation is again about 3 to 5 grams per day following a loading phase, individual needs can vary. Bodies are different. Factors like your body weight, diet, exercise intensity, and goals all play a role in determining the ideal dosage. It's always a good idea to start with a lower dose and then gradually increase it while monitoring your body's response. The timing of your creatine intake can also play a significant role in its effectiveness. Some studies suggest that taking creatine close to your workout, either before or after, might enhance its benefits. However, consistent daily intake is key, regardless of workout timing, to maintain elevated creatine levels in your muscles. A balanced diet is just as important. Creatine is part of a bigger picture that includes a healthy diet rich in proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals. This holistic approach ensures that your body has all the nutrients it needs to work in synergy with creatine. Another point to consider is the duration of supplementation. While creatine can be used long-term, some prefer cycling on and off of it, which means taking creatine for a certain period, followed by a break. That approach can help some users manage any side effects and keep the body responsive to its effects. And always keep in mind the importance of consulting with healthcare professionals, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or experiencing any adverse effects. Personalized advice from a healthcare provider can significantly aid in striking the right balance with creatine use. But how do you know when you should be consulting a professional? Well, the most straightforward reason for professional consultation is pre-existing health conditions, as I've said a couple times. If you have any known kidney, liver, or heart issues, it's imperative to talk to a healthcare provider before you ever start taking creatine. These conditions can be affected by changes in your body's water and electrolyte balance, which creatine can absolutely influence. Another trigger for seeking professional advice is if you're experiencing any, again, unusual or severe side effects. While mild bloating or water retention is absolutely normal, if you're encountering persistent digestive issues, severe cramping, or any changes in urination, that could be your sign that your body isn't really reacting well to creatine. And in such cases, a professional can help determine whether these symptoms are linked to creatine use or something else in your life, and then they can advise you on the best course of action. So, that's about it for today. So I'll see you in another video. Subscribe to our channel to get notifications from the Super Achievers Club, and comment down below if you've ever used creatine, and let us know how it went.